hang on. Hello.
Hi, Mom.
How are you, baby?
Good. You're on speaker right now. Is Dad close by?
No,
Is he in the office or is he at work?
he's at work.
Okay.
Yeah, he's gone.
All right. Well, you're on speaker. Stay here real quick, Mom. Got some news.
What is your mom's name?
Martha.
Martha. Martha, my name is Lowell Milken, and I wanted to tell you what happened at your son's school today.
Okay.
So I came from California, and I came all the way over here to Lake Charles area, and I came to Kyle's school to present an award. It's called the Milken Educator Award. We've been presenting these awards for 37 years throughout the country. We presented our 3,000th yesterday in Baton Rouge, and we are presenting our 3,001 here today, and lo and behold, your son was the deserving recipient of this award. And with this award comes many things. He'll be coming to Los Angeles for a conference to meet the other recipients, and he'll be tied into a national network now to further his own development. And on top of that, we also give an unrestricted financial prize of $25,000. And when I say unrestricted, your son can use the $25,000 for any purpose whatsoever. So I want to congratulate you, because I always know that the parents are usually the ones who are the most excited. Congratulations.
Oh my God! I cannot believe that. That is, well, yes, I can believe that. That kid surprises me every day.
Well, he should surprise you every day because he's that talented. And you're going to see this, you'll see it all over the news and on the web and everything. So it was very nice to meet you by phone, and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right, Mom.
Oh my God, Kyle.
So
Oh my God.
I didn't even know it was a surprise this morning.
I bet. I
So.
bet. That's amazing.
It is. It's really cool.
Oh, wow.
So.
I'm so proud of you, son.
I love you, Mom.
All right, baby. I love you too.
I'll call Dad and tell him to later.
Okay. Okay, baby.
All right.
I'm very proud of you.
All right. Love you, Mom.
Love you, babe. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Thank you.